Biscoff time and ice cream time, so I'm a very happy lady right now. Let's get baking. Well, it's not baking because there's no baking involved. Let's get making. Super easy to make, 3 ingredients, that's it. First, we're gonna start off with our double cream, and then we're gonna whisk this up until it has increased in volume, got a lot thicker, and can hold its shape. So as you can see, it can hold its shape perfectly. And now we're gonna add our condensed milk in. We're gonna add our Biscoff in at the same time. I say this every time I make Biscoff something. I could eat this out of the jar, genuinely. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons into the mix. Well, heaped tablespoons. And then I'm gonna swirl it throughout as well. So mix this together literally until it's just come together. Easy peasy. Then we get our container that we're going to put it in. I'm using a glass one. If you do use a glass one, just make sure it's freezer proof. And then we're going to do this in layers. So I'm going to grab some of the ice cream, dollop it in, smooth it out a little bit, and then grab some Biscoff. Can't have too much Biscoff, probably going to use the whole jar. And then we grab a palette knife and just swirl it in. Then another layer on top, smooth it out again. Doesn't have to be pretty. Go back in with some more Biscoff. Swirl it all in again. You can melt the Biscoff if you want to, just to make it a bit easier to swirl. The problem is, obviously, ice cream needs to be cold. Even when it's not set, we don't want to heat it up too much. So I prefer to do it this way, but it just means it's a little bit harder to swirl in, that's all. Final layer, and again, just smooth it all out. I'm just gonna give this bit of a wobble, then put a final bit of Biscoff in, and then for the top layer I'm just going to do smaller blobs to help it spread out a little bit easier. If you want less Biscoff, have less Biscoff, but I don't want less Biscoff. I want this Biscoff-y. Time to freeze, so I like to leave this to set overnight in the freezer. So I will see you tomorrow where we can taste test some ice cream. It's the next day. I've very patiently been waiting and it is finally set. The problem that I have now is I'm not very patient with this part. I get it out and I'm like, I want to eat it, and I don't leave it long enough for me to do a good scoop. I'm going to take that as a win, and I'm going to put this in here. It's 30 degrees in the UK right now, and it's finally taste test time. That is so good. Alicia, stop eating and find words to finish this video. I've just done some Malteser brownies as well, and these 2 things together are going to taste absolutely delicious. So easy to make, only 3 ingredients, and so worth it. Let me know in the comments if you try this ice cream recipe or if you want more ice cream recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.